If you want to turn messy notes, meeting text, or raw ideas into a clean list of action items, Cursor AI can help you do it in seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create action items with Cursor AI, step by step, so you can save time and stay organized. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your text file in Cursor. This can be a document full of notes, a draft, or any block of text that you want to turn into a task list. The goal here is to take unstructured information and transform it into something clear, simple, and actionable. Once your file is open, highlight all of the text inside the file. You want Cursor to work with the full content so it can properly understand the context and extract the important action items. After that, press Command+K if you're on a Mac, or Ctrl+K if you're on Windows. This opens the command bar where you can give Cursor a prompt and tell it exactly what you want to do with the selected text. Now paste this prompt into the bar. Turn this into a clean list of actionable tasks. That's the key step. This prompt tells Cursor to take everything in your text and convert it into a more useful format. Instead of leaving you with a wall of text, it will organize the content into a list of tasks you can actually work through. Once the prompt is pasted in, click Submit or simply press Enter. Cursor will then process the text and generate the output for you automatically. In just a moment, you should see a clean list of action items appear based on the content in your file. Depending on what you pasted, Cursor may break the information into steps, bullets, or task-style instructions. This is especially useful for project notes, planning documents, brainstorming sessions, and meeting summaries. If the output needs a little cleanup, you can keep refining it by giving Cursor follow-up instructions. For example, you can ask it to make the task shorter, more specific, or easier to prioritize. You can also ask it to group related items together or rewrite them in a more professional tone. This workflow is incredibly useful because it turns a big block of text into something you can immediately act on. Instead of manually reading through everything and figuring out what to do next, Cursor AI does the organizing for you. You can also use this same method for personal productivity. If you have a long list of ideas, a messy project plan, or even a rough transcript, just highlight the text and ask Cursor to convert it into action items. It's a fast way to bring structure to your workflow. The best part is that this method is simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough to save serious time if you use it regularly. Once you get used to it, you'll start using Cursor not just for coding, but also for planning, organizing, and task breakdown. So let's recap quickly. Open your text file, highlight everything, press Command or Ctrl+K. Paste the prompt to turn the content into a clean list of actionable tasks and then submit it. Cursor will generate the output for you in seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.